How do I add the extension to my browser? The browser extension is available for Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Opera browsers. In TextAid, click on Web Reading. If you don't see it listed on the left column, then click on the vertical dots on the lower left to see the additional tools. Click on the desktop link. I am using the Chrome browser, so I will need to click on the Google Chrome link. In the middle of the paragraph, click on the link, Read Speaker TextAid for Chrome in the Google Chrome Store. After being redirected to the Google Chrome Store, click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. You will see the extension to the right of the URL line in your browser. However, as soon as you click the X to close the information box, the icon disappears. To keep the extension visible on your browser, you need to pin it to the browser. Click on the puzzle piece. Now click on the push pin to the right of Read Speaker TextAid. The TextAid extension now appears as the speaker icon with the rest of your extensions. You are now ready to use the extension.